Hi, my name's Samantha Christofferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. Today I'm going to tell you about the future log in the bullet journal. There's lots of different ways that you can set up a future log, but if you wanted to find it in anywhere in my book, you could come to the index and say, okay, the future log, that's page 4 to page 7. It includes my 2018 plans, goals, tasks, and events. So I'm going to jump over to page 4. And right now you're staring at my blank spread of my future log for 2018. And the reason why it's blank is because it's a new year and I haven't filled it in yet. But here you can see all 6 months are represented on 2 pages. And flipping over to page 6, 7, you can see the next 6 months. So basically what this is used for is to be a quick place to say, okay, in November, I know that I have a conference coming up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write that in. And I'll indicate that with a circle and call it my POC conference. And that is in Kelowna, BC. Okay, so here is where I can kind of plan in the future, but I don't have to jump into my daily log yet. And I can kind of get a quick glance of what have I got coming up in the months ahead and how do I plan for that. So that's a future log. Second to that is that I like to know the days of the week and have a calendar look at those things. So I've drawn in for my future log as well to have 2019, all of the months represented here. I've used a dot papered journal, and that gives me, this amazing space that in between each dot is where I put my numbers. So it's really easy to organize my input onto these pages. You might find it easier to have blank pages or to draw with lines or to have a grid style journal, but personally I like the dotted the best. And here I can kind of add in something different to track on my future log, but this is what the future log looks like.